Ka Our Lady of the Mission Association OLMA kaseng Tremons ngobha banes nok tilang bat ki sister kaseng reunion ki sister St Mary's kalai kendu haka jengalang basisian chisinam balapenya da Reverend Sister Philomena Karakor RNDM President haka St Mary's College haka khat khandai tarik unaiwi ka Reverend Sister by honlang nong klau RNDM ka balasha aje dangshen kum ka nong yalam lanika provincial jong ka seng reunion ki sister haka nika than lamingi haka jingkran kalabu hakmat ki dukhot jong ka seng yaki mat ban Iada ka Mariang ka Longbriew Manbriew khamtam nei lei ban yarab ki brew ki bashem shitom bat ki baduk bakerdu ka Reverend Sister Philomena kala penpau ka jing sngongu iki jing aibut aibor bat jing kershan ki dukhot ka OLMA yaki kam chakri pat ba jong ka seng reunion Uramesh Bauri, General Secretary, ula ai ki report jing trekam jong kaseng haki saus nam balala.
I stand here to thank you. Thank from our hearts to every one of you, dear member of our lay associate of our Sisters of Our Lady of the Missions. As a congregation and as members of the sisters here in the province in Northeast, we owe you very much for being part of our community, for being part of our missionary journey at all times. I am sure also that there were kind of a breakdown because of the pandemic and because of other hurdles in between. And these have impacted our old ways of doing things, as well as for Olma, I suppose, the annual gathering and the others. But this evening, I came here. I am hopeful and I believe that we are all being energized, being called anew, with a new vigor, with refreshed minds, to listen and to get connected. And each of the members present here, I am sure, is also empowered to set a new direction from the present status of where we are as Olma members.